know I say different me do. And police friend called me this morning, isn't it? And he let me know who I got talk against fire in a court, isn't it? So I get to find out some information and I plan to take away somebody because I know a person, you know. Yeah, so I plan to line up mad dog and bad one, isn't it? We kidnap the person. You know, if you want forward, differently do. I will have to go match that still and make sure the match it good. Because I have to deal with some other things before you know morning. Oh. Alright then. I want 9 o'clock appointment to go do my resume, so I'll be with me here and then mash the crime. Alright, do what you have to do. And let me know how it go. Do what you have to do. Bunny down.
Why chat now, Kitty?
You know, say, we find the mouse. Yeah. And we set a trap in the morning.
That sounds good enough. You know what I mean? So you good though?
Yeah, man. What you are deal with?
Yeah, I want to talk, you know. It's when I get some time and idea. Whenever I want to shower, send me some fix there.
You're not easy enough for it.
Maybe
you're writing still. Maybe you're writing.
Still, you know?
Okay. You know, so you don't have nothing to worry about when you come on the road, man. Everything I sort out.
Well, I'm not worried, you know. You know what I mean? Not worried. So, I'm there, I want to have sex peace.
Alright.
So, that boy, I'm not too cool enough, so. Can't do much talking, I know, you see? So,
alright.
Yeah,
yeah, man. We'll link you back in the day.
Alright.
I'll make you know how you go down.
Alright, bunny down. Mama, send me a picture then. Alright.
Alright, squeezing it.
Alright, ready? Put the hands up on. Alright. And your legs them shoulder with the bar. Alright. Ready? Down. And squeeze up. And squeeze. You can't come up.
Alright. Look at try that one day again.
Look at the two more. Push it.
Oh, push it.
You have to run go up this and come back. You need some more strength in your body.
Feel nice. So girl, back in the key, man.
me a set here or something. Wow. See picture here. You have a picture now, look.
So,
You know her?
that mama say already, man. I know her, man.
That way easier for no deal with the thing down.
Easy catch this,
Let
man.
me see what I'm doing. I don't know her now, but I did her alive. What you want to do?
Want her alive and carry her chop shop, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
Don't harm her, you know. Remember, just catch her and put her there till me forward.
See her already, man.
Yeah, so no just deal with the thing.
Alright, man.
Right?
I see her already. Yeah, man. We deal
Don't
with it.
harm her.
Yeah, man. You think good. We deal with it.
I'll finish the mirror, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
Manda! She come down here then! Manda! Manda! This don't make no sense, you know. Because we can't find her. You know, you go so and me go so. I'll circle up the year and link up, man.
Alright, then. Go on.
Do it, man.
Yeah, man. Yo, Browning.
Yo. You know, so me just come from here just a shop and I plan to go at chop house. What go on? Or not get back to me all now.
Yo, girl, get away now.
Where you see a while ago?
Yes, brother. We split up on your feet, brother. Girl, fast, girl.
Brother, so no want a woman have to do a man job in little time in a day at the time I did my foolish say you not tell me.
We don't need nobody power we are do bad man. We are real thing, you see me? We are look for him. We hear say we in the area see him, so we are look for him.
In the area.
Yeah, man, we are look for him. We split up and look for him.
Yo, I go link somebody and forward. You see me? We wanna say in the area same way.
Yeah, man.
Alright. What happened to you?
Beg your call, so man a run me down.
Calm down.
Me need help. Them a run me down like they want to kill me.
So tell me something. What you do now that you have man a run you down, girl?
Me not do nothing. Me in a me yard a rape me yard. One man just come one rasta black man come out of the blues and grab me say no. And say come for me. Them a go kill me. Me no know. Me just want to get out of the place.
Calm down. Make one phone call.
Hurry up. Me no want them come back.
Calm down. Yo. You know, so one friend there who wants some help with the the femicide, doesn't mean forward. Go help her. No. If I ever carry one vehicle and help her move, cause she says some people around her don't gonna see me, doesn't mean? Alright. Hurry up.
What me do? Me there me had good.
Hey. Calm down. No one no nice in here.
Yo, hold up here in time when I talk to you. Here, keep it up.
Calm down, mad one. We're not gonna hurt you or nothing unless you make we lead to that level there. But anyways, you wanna know why you're here?
What me there for? What me do?
Before me even show you a pre, mad one, I could show them what we do to people.
Yeah.
So, as I was saying, we're not gonna hurt you, but if you make it lead to that level there, then I hear good luck that. Now, when I hear a relative want to talk against the general in a court, right? And you know the strips already. We hold on upon you so you can get to your relative and tell him, say, yo, a wrong thing that he choose to do. If she talks, you die. So you have the option, you choose what you want. I mean, I know long talking. Yo, see phone now.
Give me the
Call Susan, Auntie Susan, mother, whoever you want to call, as long as you get to Susan. As you need to get to them and make them know a full 100. You see me? As long as you not testify, you good. Remember, if
Alright,
they testify, you're dead.
Done. Let me call. Auntie. Pick up. Hello, Auntie G. Tell Susan to not testify because they hold me and me not do nothing. They might go kill me if Susan testify. Yes, they might go kill me. They have gun on me. They show me saw. Tell him not to testify. Please be a big girl, but you be happy to hear you.
Wrap up it.
Thank you, Jesus.
Yo, hear me clearly. Say if you want to see your niece again, they know what to do. Because General for that road, you know. And any little mistake, you know, so we wrap up she and come for you. Come on in and joke thing, you know.
Yo, hold this. Now, if you follow the instruction wisely, hey, look for man they talk to you. If you follow the instruction, then you're alright. If this go through successful, you're good.
If none of this.
Hey,
You have to go through.
calm down. But if it don't work, you know what that mean, right? You know what that mean, right?
Yes.
What you mean?
I'm good.
Hey, calm down with the knives. Yo, rise up some water for him. Hey, aye, give me some water.
Jesus Christ. I love the day also.
Make yourself comfortable because you have a long night. The sight.
Sorry for calling out so late, you know, Baba.
A business, man.
Yeah, man, so you are going. I want more product than usual, you know, because you know, look like fire come back anytime soon, you know. So we want to get some more product so we can fill the demands. Zin? So what amount you have?
6, man.
Alright, so we'll just make sure so you get the cash.
Yeah,
By
man.
NIV, Zin?
Yeah, man.
Hey Billy. Yo. You know no product. Right now me run out, you know.
You know, so we tell you the truth. I say place really around.
Yeah man, it hot.
And one product we have left, you know.
Babes, you see the reason why I carry you? If you have a full understanding of how the business run.
But babes, I'm not telling no lie, I mean, I really like doing something here, you know.
Yeah,
Furthermore, I want to go sleep, I'm tired.
Yeah, I understand that, but you alone, I trust with money. I want to ensure say, if I'm going to foreign or if anything happen to me, you can monitor everything.
Don't call boss. That good thing you come here.
Yo, Papa, what one?
You man, me and Empress out of product, man.
I know somebody close by. Alright, so you want me have some product? I can drop them off one right now, Zin?
Alright, bring some. Me alone here wait for you, same corner.
Alright, babe, that's the most. I'm proud of you, you know.
What you mean?
Yeah, man,
Look
I'm proud
yourself,
of you, man.
bossy.
I'm going to do well.
Yeah
But
man.
you are going to know. Make sure somebody get enough product. You can last now 3 weeks, you know. Yeah, man.
Good.
Alright. So just do enough, you know.
We need some big guns, so, you know.
No, yourself, man. We have that covered.
What busy? And tomorrow, fire us child, you know.
That's simple thing. I'm not too interested in that film, child. We make sure so we just cover our ends and we responsible for the corner, you know. You see me?
Alright, get that.
No response to them people there, you know. For them trial of foolishness. People dead right now. Come on and kill them place. Come on, fire.
Easy, yeah, boss.
Look, I'm going to make love, you know.
Like you not tell again.
No, sir, I'm not telling, I just want to come out by the road.
Alright.
Thank you for tuning in to JAMMIWOOD TV. I am your host, Tracy and Blair, and these are our news and reviews. Anthony Watson, a popular athlete from the Petersfield High School, is under fire for pointing the notorious gun finger at another athlete at Champs. He's been criticized for an action that has been done by numerous athletes in the past. What he did was to epitomize the fastest man, Mr. Usain Bolt. He did extremely well, and I want to use this opportunity to congratulate the Petersfield High School for for producing such talented athletes. Robert Scott, who goes by the alias Iguana, a member of the fire crew, was allegedly murdered by Thomas King, otherwise known as Fire, leader of the fire gang. Thomas King has been locked behind bars for 3 years, and tomorrow will be his trial to determine his fate. Crime and violence is spiking along with the prices for most amenities. So on this week's episode of Street Talk, we're going to speak to some of our citizens to see how they're responding to this.
When I supermarket, we take a couple little things, sugar, rice, flour, just something to survive off. And when we reach at the counter, we have to put them back. We couldn't buy it. We have to put everything back. Most of the things them right now, couple sheet of like $8,000. When we forget that from, when we forget it from, we just have to go build a little hut and live in a car. Right now, this now work of Mr. Prime Minister, you must can do better than that. Right now, me feel like something for free fire. Pray the more than the way I do. In help the youths them. In one crown if I'm hungry, I can knock. Fire, and I will get something. I can't knock on the Prime Minister, do they lie down at the mansion, cock up.
And those were our news and reviews. I am your host, Tracy and Blair. Thank you for tuning in. Have a blessed evening.
I'm going to go on the road with juggling, so cook my favorite food. Alright, love you, yeah?
Love you too. No, anything we going to do now, we have to do it faster and quicker. My man soon come back to change now.
Alright, then I'll quickly then.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yes, you're a place in the boss. 1 year we have a lease for. So. Look good still. Like when you come back now, boss, what you plan?
We go on and you know. 10 times better than what they go on the last time. Cause so them let me do some time for something I not ever do. You know what I mean? I'm not going to find out who really responds to it in due time. You know, too many long talking still. So yeah, I come out forward, I need to get some rest and I need to call my woman. You pass it by the way.
Oh, you know, say she up at your house. Yeah, go for your can't come. Good.
Yes, I miss you so much. I miss you so much.
Yeah, I know it's not run out though. And I'm not product.
Yeah, man. I have few left on the back and soon go deal with the few.
So hold on there. How you watch my phone?
You know watch your yard, you know? You have a new woman up there.
So you watch it? Yeah, when I man, you watch your man.
If you love your woman, you'll watch her.
watch your woman every time.
Wait there.
What is that? What my youth? My youth, where you go? Where you for the pan work and I where you go, my youth? What happened? What happened? This a boy the pan work and I like woman here run down. My country man, I want to them. Yeah, better let go. Let go me.
Where did I yard? I'm here with the woman, boy.
I feel the woman first.
I feel woman.
I feel the woman first. Now go on.
Must hold your boy. Must.
I want to get away from the road.
Babe, just chill now. Actually, I just come here to hurry up and just come over here. Just chill. Just chill, babes.
Oh, is that I get the fire?
Babes, chill, man. And woman not started
No, I want to come on.
This time, try ensure say you breed me. Because I left me a yard by myself. Nobody could keep my company.
I'm not planning to go back to jail again. You know what I mean? So, plan to make some money, you know. Quick. Not fast. More order something, get something done. What do you want to eat?
Fish and bami.
And them cook to order, so I'm going to make cook things here and carry come give room service because I'm going to go up on the road come have some things to deal with.
Babes, you just reach and you go par with her again. Not even give me none of the sweet sugar cane.
I'll be it before I go up on the road, so jam in the shower then. Alright, so more other thing for you to come back and bathe and then go up on the road.
Alright, babes.
That's okay. Just get yourself comfortable.
Bossy champagne. Bossy. Whoa! Nice as a big one. Up
Yeah,
there.
man, so you are one. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. I make money and we live the life. I'm not live for nobody. Everybody have to enjoy themselves to the max.
Bossy, you know, so I love enough money already.
Alright, let's see how it works.
Alright.
Thank you for tuning into JAMMIWOOD TV. I am Tracy and Blair, and these are our news and reviews. A bracing attack took place in the middle of downtown Kingston against the police, leaving a man in custody and 2 others dead. The citizens in Westmoreland are celebrating tonight as Thomas King, otherwise known as Fire, has won his court case against the state and was acquitted of all charges based on the fact that the witness retracted her statement. Another innocent man has been set free, and we are now awaiting the release of the world boss. I am Tracy and Blair. Thank you for tuning in. Have a blessed evening.
Yo, Trisha. When I pray, man. Yeah, man, me good. Yo, you can rise up 3 of your hard friend them, isn't me? Up in mansion. Because we keep on welcome party for the general, yeah. Yeah, make sure say you man them we are carry your brother. Then can dance and entertain people well enough. I don't want to lame up my thing. Alright, a dirt. Ah.
Go on.
Yeah. I free my general.
Yeah, man, you know, sir. Want to go link. Let's circle up some things now. And so I just reach back in my place. The place different. As I look at time I left here, I tell you,
Yeah, no, so things change.
Fast.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, so. We are doing now. Like, you can have something over mind now. What go on?
You read my mind too much, you know, boss. But anyways, I line up 3 girls for you. Because I know so you just touch back and you know you want to get a groove and stuff, isn't it?
But you're in a party too, right?
Yeah, man.
So what more do you know still? I go check Shan. You know what I mean? I should do something for the set speed. Because a time to make some real money. You know what I mean? The time when I'm there at jail behind bars, give me enough time for you to think. You know what I mean? Because I can't do in the behind bars think. You know what I mean?
Man.
So, I'm not ramp with the road and now, you know. Everybody will have things I know.
The road.
So what I do, I'm going to link Shan and then get back to you. So get everybody up at the chop shop, the soon circle. You know what I mean? Alright. Now I'm back. Behind bars have given me enough time to really go in the valley of decision and realize some of the mistakes they make. You know what I mean? But talking about that, where's the witness that tried to sink I?
You know, so nobody not seen from them time then. Like him disappear. Disappear off the face of air Thursday.
But enough people feel said through the police them and the government sink off and take most of the money, then things some broke, you know what I mean? So I step in and I notice one and two look a movement, but we don't have so much, you know what I mean? But we still have a bagger thing put one aside because I always save a thing for rainy day, you know what I mean? So the rainy day thing, I kill on the day I deal with, you know what I mean? I put it one side so we go fully functional very soon, you know what I mean? And I know your reputation and how serious you be. So if you're ready to get down to business, you're ready. Because I'm not like when I come at the place and you live like this. We have plans to bigger things than this, and the biggest thing where we could have make real money because everybody couldn't have money. And we could have 2 mansion and 2 this and 2 that. See them try sell I out for go spend life imprisonment for some things like that. But it's all good though. But there now we have to just more smarter. Because the feds them go always a watch. You know what I mean? Because them try to lock me down and when do you work? You know what I mean? Between you, Kelly, and Mad Dog. You know what I mean? And Mad One. So, I have a piece of package for you on each said way. You know what I mean? My interest on because you have to think more different and now. You're traveling a bag of money in a pocket and now. Everybody have some account and now. Put money in the account. You get one card. You jag money off. Any day in the island you go jag some money off it. This is the platform there now. We have to try push yourself in one better business too. We not do everything illegal. We have to have some legal things now.
So, like when you come back, you know, and I'm busy I run off the place. And what if you think about it, you know? Where you plan to do about that? Where plan? How you deal with him?
What me I say now, what we gonna do, you know, is me just want to ensure say you become a special friend of this busy character. So you keep him busy and dizzy. You know what I mean? So when the right time come, me tell you what to do. Because we don't want to hurt who not have to hurt. You know what I mean? But who have to get hurt, have to get hurt. Because the bigger picture is we have to get to the next level.
No worries yourself, man. I keep busy on a tight leash.
Alright, anyway. I'm not too tired of tonight still, you know. But we have to go and touch base with you. You know what I mean? Killing out in the car out there. When I have some little things that I go and narrow down. You know what I mean? You don't have to sit down and read it, you know, because you need to fit up on the same page. You know what I mean? Because this time, we don't want the error. What happened already, nothing be fall away again. You know what I mean? We need to have what we need to have to do what we need to do. You understand though? We have to take over the thing. And we can't do it like we used to do it first time. everything can't is illegal. We have to have some legal things. So, from welcome back, tell them about a surprise to me, you know what I mean? So them, I don't want to plan about a party with some females soon, so. Yeah, man. I like everybody step up, you know what I mean? So now we need to step up a game and now. Back to business and now. All I know, money go turn up, you know what I mean? Them lock down some money for I, so no people feel them broke still, you know? But I always have things to rain the day. I like work on the door. Make the witness not testify. And the system won't tie down, you know. And you can't control that. But in here so now, we have some account number of some money on it to set the game back. Go back on the business. Because everything the government take, then take it and lock it down in a some. So I don't think that go free up, you know. I have some lie upon a case. But I'm not worried about that. So, it's a new set of business, more venture in. Behind bars, we get a little time to think. You know what I mean? So we'll use the brain now. You know what I mean? So we just need the accountants to do some transfer and then start operation now. So every corner where we lock already, we go lock and expand. And who now fall into place, you know what I mean? Then go disappear. That's a phone job because you know say right now we not nothing to lose. You know what I mean? Because I do or die. So let's get down to business. So enough things are so I go on the street though.
Everything good, man. But as I did a talk, as I when I talk about the accountant thing, I have one accountant named Alton who could have deal with the business for you, isn't it?
Alright, so what you gonna do? Contact him and then me go link him. You know what I mean?
Side.
Me have some we're going on a thing when you go on road go enjoy on yourself but not overdo it. You know what I mean? Me and Kelly have some mission to go deal with. So tomorrow we have a meeting. You know what I mean? Then we step forward. You know what I mean? So everybody relax themselves and enjoy themselves. Yeah man, let's get down to business man.
Freedom and power. Do what we say, no freedom.
Yes. Yes. Right there, baby. You know what I think about from there?
What?
Might sound a little cliche, but I think we want to get married.
Yeah?
Yeah, we feel like a time now. Like we've been together so long, and time for we seal a deal the realest way.
You know our money that don't it?
That
You have to go and save. You have to save for that.
That always your issue, the money part of it. But we feel like saying, if we just go ahead and do it, the money will come after. Cause everything are going good with us. Come on.
You know, I want to make sure I get this thing right, because, you know, for me thing that it come down too normal, you know. Because at the end of the day, I want to come out of this rent house here, because I don't really like the neighbors, you know. So, then money and daughter always be making noise, and I want to get our own place, so I have to make sure so we get them things in order, get a car before we can marry, and save some money for it towards that. I think. Nobody take no peer pressure from your mother, man, because you can't make me rush you and anything, you know. You know have the things and to do with it, so we just go on now, man. Nobody it ain't too pressure, because I know your mother telling you come down enough sometimes.
But babe, that's enough peer pressure. That's a parent pressure. And at the same time, she wants to just say me going at the right way, you know? Soon time to kids and we know so we're not ready for it yet, but more of it get ready for it by sealing the deal. I just want to do it in the right way, babes, because everything will come to it after.
You're killing it. Yeah, man, I could have deal with him, man. Which part in there? Alright, now I have a meeting, you know. I have a meeting. Alright. Be able to see that? That's the start to our wedding, you know. When you come through.
Yeah,
Why your face look like that?
Because you come talk about Kelly. What kind of hours them are Kelly?
I don't know, I'm too jealous, man. I'm so foul.
As long as I'm money.
I'm too jealous, man. You eat?
I'm gonna eat some food now.
Get some. I'm so foul, back.
Alright. Be safe.
I have my laptop there.
Kelly, tell about the eye, you know what I mean? You tell me say I'm a good accountant, you know about them things, you know what I mean? I did lock down for a minute. Babylon sees some of my assets them and most of my money and some bugger thing. But anyway, they have something put one side. There's some different account all over the place. But I group of everything and put in a one main account. You know what I mean? You get paid in cash. Soon as I done everything, next send money come here. You know what I mean? So just put everything in carry to go work with it tomorrow. Then go up on the main system, you just do the transfer them. You know what I mean? But we know what go on. Tomorrow I send somebody come pay you.
Alright.
I mean?
So as soon as I go in and work tomorrow, first thing I deal with.
Go on.
So, yeah, man.
Busy, you know, say, one fire has come back.
Hold on. Where in the prisoner jail?
Prison, but I'm run off territory, so you don't want to back.
You are joke thing, you know, remember say we govern up the side, you know. So, them can't get back this, we govern this, you see me? And new orders, you see it?
What you mean, my big boss? You're a brass.
Million Smith, you know.
What you mean? The boy can't talk to it.
I'm busy.
How are you?
You can't talk to your females, so.
Alright, mama,
I'm beautiful. Hey, what's up?
Long time I don't see you.
The boat, man. The boat, you see it?
You just come back in night town.
No, man, a long time I die, but you know, say, just not going normal out and lay low. Straight up, man.
I yesterday I walked through town and I see you and your bridging over here have a drink.
Yeah,
so
man.
they come here.
So you say, you want something to drink?
Of course.
So you say we'll have a party for we are after we left us, so you say, I found.
Anyway, I got me cook.
Alright, yo, bye.
Boss. Yeah, man. Let him through. Babe, I'm doing some business now. Go on the road. Where's you going now?
You know, so I make a transfer already, but I'm just come for show you how I deal with it. So I like your security, you know.
And the security, them that warrior. You know what I mean? So, man just make a war, man. Go. Different from that, turn and scream and see what I go on. Yeah, man, everything look good. But you want to know, just write it down on a piece of paper. Let me call your account number and text me to send me. Alright, so. Alright. Three work so fast, I look extra there. You know what I mean? Alright. Yeah, man. Do it. want, you know, more there now. Just the accountant just deal with the funds, you know what I mean? So more go link a female, never drive around there. Apart from that still, we need to link up with Baba and get some product. So we're gonna do that Renza first. And then more said mad one, you know what I mean? And bad one. We gotta deal with the rest of things them. You know what I mean? So go push on the road. The more the war, deal with a mission and forward back. See it? Go and lock off the ends and not make nobody go in the road. That's my woman. You understand? Because she in there. No problem that. You know what I mean? So if you come, just tell her, say, yo, some things tonight off limits. So she just call me and go up by mansion, but don't go in there.
You think good, boss, man?
Yeah, I'm soon forward.
Yeah, man.
Coercion. You're me out of your gate, you know. Come check me right now. Yeah, man. Hurry up, come here. We have some things to deal with right now. Alright. So everything good, Coercion?
Yeah, man, me there.
Why I see you get round.
Living the good life.
Well, life will get better here now because back in our place now, so we are try to turn over so a new page. So we are going to look at you would start out some account for me, so more if monetize code and everything depend it. So just keep your account relevant. Just study it because I have some things where some time I want to just open some store or something like that there. So I don't want to do some transfer funds for me. You know what I mean? Because you're somebody I can trust. You know what I mean?
Definitely.
Because we have to see things from a different level you know. So we have to take things from a more business level more than violence. You know what I mean?
Yes, definitely.
So money did the fear man and bag of things go on set speed. So I just want to come because I know say yeah somebody I can trust. You know what I mean? So anything I go on in an account, you monetize and you know what I mean? The code and everything did the fee. Me tell if one of a withdraw send to no or whatever. You know what I mean? Anything I do, you let me know first, right?
Okay.
Alright, so pass me a pass us. I have a lot of things to do now. Because I just come back and we not to cool down, we just have to keep the fire blazing.
Alright, no problem. I'll do it for you.
Alright, that's alright.
So, remember me tell you, say, I want to get a couple of acres for the scheme. So we can start building my house now.
I don't recall you mentioning anything about anything like that.
Yes, I did. Remember I told you I wanted to also put up an apartment so I can have a regular income coming in now. You told me you would help me. You told me say you have amnesia for me now.
Alright, anyhow, probably it slipped me. We'll have it done. So, let me get this straight though. You want
200 acres.
and that will deal with everything else, right? So that's what you need to get your structure in place, right?
Yeah.
So I'm saying,
The purchase of the land.
So we'll get it started out, but
can I get a time frame?
I was thinking you could decide that on your own.
I'm thinking this week.
I was thinking you could entertain me.
You want me to dance for you?
Good start there.
Over here so cool. You see it? Them a property you want have. 3 golf course like this when if you have in the future. You want to take your work. You know what I mean? So differently though. How for your ends are going?
Everything are going good in a bossy.
Everybody if you pay the money, pay the money.
Yeah man. Thing good.
No itch.
No itch. Everything normal.
So mad one. Who be silent get silent.
Come on, they don't know, man. Some boy I try run the foot out in the game, but we have grown good, man. Grown lock, man. Is it?
Yo, daddy, I don't saw this running up. I don't saw this thing come down. I want to go on here, sir. Mama.
Yeah, man, meat smell good and thing, man. Alright, now see you red, dog. Well, alright, yeah, man.
Come back, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yo, bossy. No, man, no good for the corner. What I could do have a lick out everything out of my hand. Yeah, you know, Mama everywhere always come by. Because if him man, them ever give him stress. All him. Yo, bossy, come now. Bring your Empress with you too. Alright. Me are waiting now.
Yo, what really are going to say now? Explain yourself.
You know, see, I was funny in this class.
You know, see, we don't have ends now. So here we go, Empress.
Deal with it.
What you do, sir? Give me this.
Yeah, man, I saw with you with boy.
Let it play. Don't come back. Don't come back when I end the fool.
Answer your phone.
Chop. Yeah, man. Me and Bossy there and make a rolling. Is it? It's alright, man. I golf for there. I golf course.
Yo, bossy. You know, someone want to talk to you one hour though.
Come now.
Yes, boss. You know, some have some difficulty. I try move some product and the uptown youth them and try stop the thing.
Serious?
Serious.
Alright. Where you go there now? Because you know what? Get lock off your little bit and you can't be some come back and see everything a shift like people don't remember who me be, you know what I mean? But you go on and now still. Just take the rest of the day off. You understand? And tomorrow evening you start work back. I'll fix it by the morning. You know what I mean? Something go on.
Alright, bossy.
That's alright. Alright, you know. Yeah man, know that everything are going good. On Funo Avenue said speed. We'll celebrate later. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so Shan and killing them, we make them set the arrangement to the girls them and we just get some liquor and all the vibes. You know what I mean? One life to live. Yeah man.
Boss, you come back and move too cool, you know.
No, you see, you see when you get locked down for a minute, you get a time to think. You know what I mean? So you see, the smart one, think before you act. You understand? You see, when you work and you're not smart, you overwork. Now, when you come back and want to take over the thing, the business go more deadly. So you have to know how you step now. You know what I mean? So pay attention. So we have celebrate, return. You know what I mean? Then when you get hot, you get hot. So now if you there, use your mind too. You understand? Not get lost tonight. Ah.
Why are you home so early?
I'm just step on the road and do some business and do something boy, sir. And then son I think I want something. Relax.
You know, see if you go back here though.
Yeah, nothing about nothing about it but just
Yeah, it look nice. I don't know, but you know, it make me like long hair, you know, something for my pull pan.
I can put on a wig.
A wig.
Good so far, you know. It's about two problems on the road still. You know? Nothing serious, some look of violation. But I don't know how I can angle though, you know. Simple maths. Anyway, pass the phone, please.
Well, easy, you know.
Hold on, phone ring.
Yo, busy. So you see I go on in fire? And I be a violation you see I go on with. For you have to understand how the thing run, you know. And fight, me I give nobody no fight. You have to understand, say me I run off around this up. Me govern that the place here now. You understand? You have to understand that. It seems like uno feels say I wanna run the place, you know. And it can't be like that. It can never be like that, you know what I mean? Cause at the end of the day, how we run the thing, you know. You know what I mean? So if I that are the thing, what you go on, you know. Yeah, but fire you have to understand how the thing run, you know. Say it not free for all thing, but at the end of the day, the place is left vacant. So you don't know, so me just feel the needs and the demands, you understand? No, fire, you have to understand, so you know. A new era now, you know, man, and young people that take over now, so I mean I go and govern the thing, so you have to just find a different territory, so just do what you have to do still, because me don't have this all already, so you see me, I say? Yeah, you have to understand, I don't know badness me I say, but you don't know, say if a dirt, you see me I say? Alright, a mud then. You say a dirt, me I say a mud. Because I come up with this new talk, you know, not live long, you know what I mean? Everything good, man. That's say a word. Everything good. Yo, babes, I'm going to water, you know, because right now, fire call me and piss me off, you know. Alright, me some fun join you. Yo, what going? Where they?
I'm there, Funny Beach. Me and your boy.
Oh, yeah, man. Alright, because long as we set up on a case there, you know.
How far there now?
In a water, man.
Alright, ensure say no come out of the water there, you know. Yeah, man, make him drink, come and tell about dirt. Make him drink some water.
Yeah, man, me deal with it.
Alright, this thing, let me know what I want.
Yeah, man. I was just starting to like you, Richard.
So babes, I want to go to the beach.
When you want to go to the beach?
You can go tomorrow. Or next week, whenever you have time.
Make some time for you, because you know some children just busy up. She may just come back, maybe they try to put in some work, because there are a lot of things in the world I want to get, you know what I mean? So, it's going to take time. So.
And that's how I feel love you.
burn it down. Mission complete.
Yeah, man, that sound good.
Where you do with the body?
Let's buy the same place when people say that, man. And a few business that is cut.
God created you with brilliance, and so you grew with wisdom and respectable resilience. But life has a way of turning the sweetest candy into bitter aloe. Sometimes, instead of taking the lead, we tend to follow. We all fall at times, and our underwears do show the higher the monkey climbs. Take it easy with yourself. Be kind. When you look in the mirror, you see brokenness and trust issues. But what I see when I look at you is something quite refined. A phoenix rising from the ashes, and a victor that has defeated every monstrous thoughts in his mind. You're going to be alright. But for now, don't give up. Continue to fight. Pick up your sword and do what's right. The moment you give up is the moment all is lost. And remember, we must win at any cost. The battle is hot, but the victory is great. Be patient, for all good things come to those who wait. It's never too late. My dearest, have a little faith. And remember, love is more powerful than hate.
Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to it's a vice of Ferris, you know what I mean? Yeah. So this is JAMMIWOOD, you know what I mean? So subscribe. Remember to subscribe, you know what I mean? Because we need the subscriber count to go, you know what I mean? So this is a 3-part series, you know what I mean? So this is the first part of it, you know what I mean? So the first part. Yeah, so leave your comments and tell me what you think about it still, you know what I mean? It's different in some cases, and you will see, you know what I mean? So this channel will kind of feature some different little things with the next channel now, though, in terms of when it comes to action, you know, we'll go. Realistically, what's going on, we're going to try to show where we must go and actually show some of the things that really are going, you know what I mean? While entertaining the same way. So hope you learn something from it, burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? So, differently, long time I talk to the people them, but they are still doing it. See, take a little time out for the because we are trying to get to locate a piece of land and some more drive on some place and serve something and take a week off still. So, that I want to resolve, you know, some things when they are going, you kind of slow down, you know what I mean? Because we have some things to deal with in the meantime. So, burn it down to the ground. Don't run up their mouth, keep your mouth shut if you don't know what going on. Burn it down to the ground. Big up the real fans, them, big up the real supporter, them, big up Tats. And Franco, bring up Tina from Cayman, said speak Franco and Tats from England, UK, you know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Big up the rest of fans them all over the world. Big up Damien from USA, said speed, you know what I mean? Big up Ted's Kitchen, my cousin in New York, said speed, I go and doing things, burn down to the ground, you know what I mean? Ferris in our place, Curious King, you know what I mean? Alright, the soundtrack for this don't come out yet. I'm gonna get time to go to the studio. So I'm gonna go to the studio for the next part. You'll get the real soundtrack. So I'm just give you a song you can go and listen. I'm in the meantime. Burn it down to the ground.
All they do
Curious King. Richard Brown Clips. Jack Van Jail. Don't play with it now. Money. Don't play with it now. Money. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. All I wanna hear is about the cheddar. All I wanna hear is about the money to make my life better. Money talk, bullshit walk. Money talk, bullshit walk. We leave you someplace in the dark. We don't love to talk. The dog will bark. You come with this, don't come around here. We'll leave you there while you're scared. I hope you're here, always near. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. For mamas of tender age, I tell mommy
I wonder if busy ready. Look how long in the on the beach.
And first thing, boss, it never takes so long. So something have to wrong.
I must want sexy girl on him over there, you know he love his sexy girl them, you
Hold
know.
on. Cause this not right.
Yeah, call him.
What we not making so
Phone not ring.
Let's go over there. This not right.
Alright, cool. Jesus Christ. What happened to him?
Call the ambulance.
He look like him a breed. He look like him a breed. No, take time with him. Take time with him. He look like him a breed though.
Boss, you have no clue.
So everybody get them product ready, right? Don't come to see that girl and pull over. I'll go, Mama.
Work one. Come help you. Roxy, come on to them watching anything. I'm up to that. Yeah, because since I don't want to set him snacks, start going for me. Hello?
Burn it down to your ground.
Me check your account and look like somebody thief out your account, you know.
A lie you tell, man.
So you did not make any transactions today?
Alright, so search up and figure out how to do it, you know what I mean? Make people brave, so. I found when them take it.
Alright, so I'm seeing here where it was done at 8 a.m. this morning.
I wish bank.
Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to double check for you and then I'm going to provide you with a call back if necessary, alright?
Yeah, man, I'm fired up.
Definitely. Alright.
Do that right now. Yeah, man.
Thanks. That's something like that.
Just link me. You have my number.
Yeah, man, leave the number.
So call me. Just call me.
Alright.
Alright?
5. Me can't believe the boss nearly John. What we are going to do about it?
None of that. What we are going to tell bossy woman now?
You need to call her. Call her. Better you call her.
Ruby? No, it's not a good sign. You know, say, the boss is going to take a look at one swim and it look like he got out to swim and nearly drowned. But I'm in a lifeguard, ma'am. We dey down at the hospital or something. Come quick now. Where woman come tell me, say?
What she say?
If me couldn't swim, go see a bossy. Me a lifeguard.
When there? Where my man there?
In the hospital. You're expecting it out there. So run, girl. Run.
Alright, I'm seeing here where the money was taken from the Negro branch.
Yeah, that's I know it's a good idea if you have a case, you know, because this is a slip past enough people, you know. But yeah, what?
Yeah, which bank them do?
Funds Incorporated.
Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a check it back by 2 days time or tomorrow. Because something going to go on down tonight to tomorrow. Because my thing not come down, so. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, so you're alright though. Yeah, man, just keep yourself safe. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, everything good.
Yo,
me say me a country right now.
Yeah, but you come too late, me just lock up.
No, but this a big man.
Yo, me can't talk to sucker right now. Me just take some money in and we have to move for yourself. So come move for yourself and go.
Alright, go on.
What you say you want me to do for you?
We have a piece of food on the line and want you to take off.
Yeah, but I can't deal with that, you know, because Gary, just chop off $1 million right now off of somebody's account. And I don't want no payments for me, you know. I can't take no payments right now. You have to give me about 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
I can up and running again. Right now, I just get on my yard and go and lay low. When I come back,
how much you got?
$2 million, man.
Whoa.
$2 million right now, I'm nice, dog. But I have to just go and lay low because I want drugs, man, money, you know.
Well, you know, say, it's a big food, you know what I mean? Big amount, you know.
Yo, because remember, say, I want a piece of food there still, but as I say, 2 weeks, just give me about 2 weeks. Because I lay low for about 2 weeks. And then, when I come back from the work, just make it know and then. Enough money?
You could have that, man.
Alright, I say 40. I like the sound of that, because I don't know, I want to build up a plaza, them and a apartment, them, you know. Not normal, but anyways.
What's the time by it, babes?
That's with the empowerment, man. Just sing like a synchronized singing in the
Alright, let me bite you up now. Look at you. So yummy.
You know, so I'm not really into this movie. I'm tired of like a regular something, man.
What do you mean?
Go try it.
Babe, so what wrong? How make it stop?
Now I feel this. Probably need a drink.
Alright, you want to go out there so go breeze off a little?
Everything good, man. Let's go and date it.
Alright.
chat with you.
Bonnie though.
Yo, Alton. Yeah man, some money miss out of my account, you know.
I don't understand what you're talking about. I don't follow what you're talking about.
I know how you take it out because you alone know that code there. You know what I mean?
We don't run the thing that way there, you know. And we don't take certain things to look out, you know what I mean?
So you mean, check me?
We don't send threat, you know. But we just talk straightforward, so that there's a look out. If we don't say.
I don't talk. Okay.
Yo! Security! Security! Security lemon.
Fire.
Hello.
Oh, go on.
Where are you?
I'm there. I'm at home at you. Where you deal with?
Oh, you the block?
Yeah, man. You come link me.
Where you do?
I'm just there. I stretch a little bit and I meditate. Where you deal with?
I come link you still. I'm talking, I'm looking over one.
Yeah, man. Forward.
Hello? Mommy? What? You alright? Everything good? Is your daddy alright or something? Alright. What I'm really calling about still is a little problem I may face in my relationship. It look like some my Alton reach a breaking point, you know. Something wrong. Like I don't know what, but cause him not talk to me, but right now I don't know. Everything I may try it look like it not work out. Yeah. All the way private business and all that not work out. So I just want some advice. Like you and daddy left so long now for years now, you know, keep that the relationship there. So maybe you can have something you can share with me where we can use to improve my relationship. So yeah, mommy, me need you to tell me what to do. Like, if sex not work out, Alton not like it. Me need some ideas. Me need some different things. I need to try with him or something because can't allow him to stray. Me need some new ideas, some fresh ideas. So tell me, what do you do? Me don't know what to do. What you say? That is something for the mommy. And the other one there. Oh gosh. Alright, you're too rude. I can't believe all them things that my mother said to me. Alright, mommy. Alright. Me try that one day. It must work, yes. The one that act, it must work. May I try two of them idea them for him. Alright. So yeah, remember next week make us send your thing, you know. So you don't have to worry about that. Alright? Yeah man. Me show you back tomorrow. Wake up, mom.
You're bright, man. You know, so may need for you to talk.
What about baby?
Because this not gonna work out, you know.
Wait, what?
This not gonna work out, because
this don't make no sense. Me can't have money. Me can't have money and then me can't have happiness in my bedroom. That don't make no sense.
Wait. Me not understand what you're saying to me right now. Like, you can't talk about this at done when things just a start up between we.
So where rather me do? Tell me the truth or me rather me go cheat?
Of course, me rather the truth, but baby, come on. And if you want things, all you have to do is tell me, you know. If there are things that you want, like different things, just tell me. We can spice it up too. Look how me have all of my lingerie, them what me I wear for your night time, and me been doing my squats, them I get my body tight and right for you and all that. So if there's more what me can do.
Yeah, but you do all of that, but the fact is, it still remains the same in the bedroom because I just one position. You not do nothing extra.
Alright. Yeah, see the half of what we can do it, yeah?
When I say the half of me, this so long. That don't make no sense. So I went there and said that the half there. Like a joke in it, man. Right now, you have money in it, so but you either go on, you have one night you have left.
Come. Katie. Katie. Oh, boy. No, man, you know.
One time I call me the one that.
So reason we come check about Smiley today, because you know say some money missing out of my account. So every time I see you just sexually so.
What kind of money is missing out of your account?
$2 million well, but even now, you see him look a sister, look Rasta sister and you're a friend. If you have a feeling for your boyfriend, take it, you know. You see, because I have some transaction I can deal with from one at a time. You know what I mean? So, you know, so I watch every month in my account, you know, 100 million in it, you know. And a couple million chop out tight, you know. So I'm going to take it and I feel, say, boy, I'm not miss it. You know, understand? But we don't do take no withdrawal out of nothing. So, after somebody like I did. So, I page him already, but it'll be a tough talk. I feel say I'm brave. You know what I mean?
So we are planning to do all that now.
What I want really, I know say I want to look youth around him still. And I no lose no time at all. So what I feel say, make a link with it with the sister. That means you can go in on the flat. And if you go in on the flat, you know what I mean? You can just the main one of the right at the door. If you get rid of that one day, you step in go and do what you deal with.
I know exactly what to do. Because you have to get back the money there. We're going for them, man.
Them man a bag of things, because some money do they fear too. But you're tempting every time, do you know?
No business we are deal with. For business we are deal with a business and for pleasure.
Everything works same time.
We'll make a call.
Hello?
Tori.
Sure?
Yeah, what go on?
You know, so it's a show me about the world, but what go on?
You know, say from one day my mind I run for him if you get a call. What you deal with?
Yeah, I'm there, you know. I'm there still go through some things, because me and my relationship not going too well. I'll tell you say some things like saying I want to end it and I can't make that happen at all, so just there try to figure out what me I go do.
So you know, so you have to do something to spice up the bedroom, you know. In that case.
Yes, so, I'm just like him right now.
Yeah, you have to do some different things more while, you know, here what. We can help you out, you know, as your friend. We can come over and we do a 1 threesome or 2. And
so I'll make you do something like that for me.
Me and your friend for a long time and a girl, and if I go through things in your life, we're willing to help you out. I'm sure you're willing to help me out too.
Which is right, still.
And nobody not know what's going on between me, you, and him. Not true. Nobody think about it too hard. Me come over right now. Plus, I want a piece of money, same way. Me know some of the on the thing and me kind of broke right now.
You must can make it happen, because same thing you want Alton to talk about. He wants something different, So, alright. I could try something different then and see how it work.
Me forward.
Forward, me could see if we can hold a vibe.
Alright, so. Well, that sounds interesting, like everything can get done with tonight because you have things to deal with. All this talking about what you're going to do, you know. Feel like you want to do something before you go over, I don't know. Because I know where you stay and where you skill up with when you do your thing, you know.
When I go over there, saying I'm happy to do something. So, I tell me say I want to start something or something.
Good idea. Like how boss in the hospital, you know. You know, so me and right hand, so I'm me if you run off the place now.
You fear run off which place? To the baboon, yeah, man.
You know what is a baboon?
Then cartoon, yeah. My youth, you know right now, me we shoot a man. And me fi the run off it. Me.
Me know say you're a shooter.
Me a top shooter. And me fi the shoot anything my boss want to kill. Cause when me shoot, everything dead. What you feel like?
You know say you're a shooter, but you have to understand. You're right hand. Remember, say nobody else out there we can control it right now, you know. And we know how they place them. And the rule. So, me don't feel like, but anyway, we have to get down to the matter. It's either me or maybe you. So we will see.
Anything or anything.
Yo.
Me know.
I don't know go on with it. Take me now over here, everything you want to say. But get this. Ruby this.
Big up yourself, Ruby.
Richie woman. Me not really in a good talking with you over this, you know. Because you know, go on like say you want to run Richie thing, but guess what? Me.
Come in if you are coming, man.
Richie. Who you talk to some? Man, I get fired right away, you know. Don't play with me.
Boy, you talk too much, you know, man.
Well, go on.
There, Ruby.
No, so Richie in a coma, though.
That the eye here still.
Things set away, man.
So you know, come on, not all.
He might come on, you know, but it's slow. It's a slow process. So I may have to do right now, I hope and pray. But in the meantime, I may have to run things till he come back. So anything you know?
Oh.
No, you have a problem with that?
No, Ruby, no.
Okay.
Not at all.
Just let me come to meet up. You don't know if you tell me, say, Ruby, I go run things now till Richie come back.
Cool, huh?
So anything you don't want, just check me. So, when we end there, when Richie there at beach? When we did there, gonna hang down headboards.
You know, everything like should. Richie said, he have a whole swim by himself, so we just give us space, you know. I general things, so anything he said, we just give us space.
You make Richie go to beach by himself, you know, a bodyguard, and not even look distant for see when, hey, I don't no grieve me, you know.
So, we're sorry still.
You know, we're sorry about that still, you know. But anything we boss tell you to do, we have to do it.
We grieve, man, and I phone fight still, you know.
Just never depend on the ends, you see it. But don't worry yourself, you will get over it, you have to get better.
Alright, now say a word.
Cool,
remember, you know, link me if anything, yeah?
Now say a word.
Empress.
Yeah, dear.
Can't be say me and you the out on the street and not even 1 out of 2 hours we couldn't be. Oh man.
Yo, not say nothing, I just life.
How are you?
I told him to come link.
Who?
Tori, me come link.
Listen, man. I'm ready off this. And I'll nearly tell you my name. I don't know your name, 12 friend.
Shan.
Shan?
That's what she wants to me out here.
Oh, Shan. Alright. So, let me see if you have nothing for you.
I don't have nothing for me, I just can see everything tight, so nobody touch me. You want a better view?
Alright, I get that. No move. You expect Shan tonight?
Yeah, send her through.
Okay, I'm going now.
I'm going to get on.
Alright, you can't let anybody in that boss yard.
You can't go in there.
Oh, it's fine.
It's quick. So I deal with the outcome there.
And then I room around there, so.
Okay. You don't have nothing there for drink. You don't have nothing for drink.
Oh yes, I have a one drink for you, so let me get it.
I'm good at that, man.
One Magnum.
Alright, kind of drinks, man. For them missionary.
Alright, so you ready to tell me what this all about, what this entail?
So you never did this before?
I'm a virgin to this threesome thing, you know. Tell me, what it really entail, cause I don't know.
After Halloween, as the name said, threesome. After with me, you, and him. One of the time, man go to the road and go do all kind of things with women we don't know about. Might as well do it and know who I do it with. So, me can do it alone, you know. Me can do it alone if you know want to go that way there. Still a spice up your relationship because of that way there, so financial.
Well, I think I'd rather be a part of it still, cause I'm my man still at an idea, so.
And join in whenever you want.
I'm gonna be a part of it from beginning to end, man.
So, I don't know what to them say it to them, but we can get sexy. And you get him up to speed with what's going on. You can tie him up and blindfold him and everything, you know. Make it a surprise. If you not tell him nothing yet. A spice it up, so make us spice it up.
Alright, well, you are the leader, you know, so.
Yeah, man.
Still. I see that's so hard when I come to your place, man.
No man.
Yeah, somebody has more worry.
Yeah, that's when I come back from.
One girl look forward to it. Yeah, man, you know, so the out here say, I want to look, boy. You say a good girl now. Good empress. You out here say a one link, man. Everything good, man.
Everything good, yeah.
Give it yourself. So if you get one time before, you know, me press.
That's how it go, man. That's how it go.
Yeah, man, you know, see how. I feel that's all I have to end speed, boss. So that's all pre now.
So a whole night you go there. You have somebody that can relieve you. So somebody that can relieve you in the night, or are you alone for your assignment? Somebody that can relieve you, or are you for your assignment?
You know, I say, oh. Yeah, man, I'm going to go all after days still. Bossy.
I can go back in the sign of security.
Yeah, man.
So, might come get your next link in the night.
I promise.
We don't know what might can go on.
Alright, Empress. It's a charm, man.
Just calm down, man. Tonight is the night. Remember me told you I have some plan? I eat this now. So just calm down.
I really like them blindfolds singing, but make it on. Woo! When I like them tell us they feel like I rape me.
So, I know me alone there, you know. I know we alone there.
Yeah, who there?
There's someone else, but it's a surprise.
It's a female though?
Of course.
Okay, good.
Alright, so.
We have to get something to drink, you know. We get the vibes going. Natural water.
I can't say oh but the vibe so nice. I really have a surprise to me, babe.
Get the drink down and come back.
Ooh.
Yeah. You can enjoy yourself tonight in the autumn.
Oh, you love that. Too much boring nights, man. Too much boring nights. We need this.
Cheers. To spice.
To spice.
One and man, me I feel though.
It'll come on. Slowly but surely. You have to have patience. Patience in life. Indeed too.
Strong.
Yeah, get this and start up from no babes.
It's alright. Come join us. Ready to go on with things, you know?
Is that almost so boring? Now I'm going, babes.
Know yourself, man. Everything will come. Everything will come. Everything I want, you will get. What? Know yourself, man. Everything I want, you will get.
Tori. Tori!
Yo, Tori asleep, man.
Tori!
She asleep.
Tori!
Sorry about that.
What? Oh.
Yo, Tori asleep,
Tori.
yo. Calm down, man. Tori asleep.
Fire, what is up, fire?
What me I say to you, though? I want you today, you know. I tell you, say, you know. I want money go back in my account. And I talking about chat and so we don't send chat, you know. You know what I mean? So I say to you now, where I money there?
General, fire, me don't know about the money, fire.
No, stop talking, man, and talk to the phone, this show. Damn, me say you only want money account one day, and then you only know what go on the account. So where you tell me say you don't know? But the money there?
Fire, me don't know about no money, fire.
Yo, catch it, kill him.
Fire, then if you kill me, how you get the money? How you get the money if you kill me, fire?
Yo, who hear me say that? What you say now? Talk fast.
Hey boy, talk quick enough.
If you kill me, how you get the money?
What money there?
Me have some money for some other people, man. Me just take your money from out of the account and give you, man.
You want to people things, you know.
Do it.
But I don't trust you, you know. So you come at the chop shop. Yo. You hear me say no, mad one? Drive a jeep, come on here, sir. You see myself me a while ago. And carry two here, make two hours then come. Because I tell heavy youth, you know. Want to throw him in a jeep and carry him up a chop shop. Because he moving money, you know. Me tell them suspects I moving money. Yeah man, do that right now,
no,
man.
Fire, man. No matter with him, man. Fire. Fire, me can't deal with the writer, so fire, man. Me can't deal with the writer, so now, man. You don't have to go nowhere. Do it. I don't chant very well.
That boy get to my youth.
Boy, get.
No, man. Hey boy, come on. Come on, father. Chat. Boy. How are you, chat? Hey boy, don't run to bad man, you know. What you do? Go up on.
Go on the bed, you know.
Hey, look, boy. Boy, no rampant bad man, you know. Boy, boy, you feel like man, yo.
Yo, we don't know. We don't have time for waste, you know. You understand? So right now, don't worry yourself. We have a laptop, you know. We have the engine to carry. Yeah. We don't have time for idle, you know. You know what I mean? So today, we transfer, we take out of the account, we want you put it back and double. You know what I mean? So we're going to go on and now. You have a choice. Because we could have killed you from last night, you know. So you beg for your life. So prove me, so we do the right thing. So yo, go for the laptop. You make it install the transfer right now. We don't have time for wasting, we have things to do. Want you transfer back the money we take out of my account, you know what I mean? And double it. And you still owe more than the double. After you start work back as normal, certain time, every quarter you need to put back a certain amount of money in my account. Different, no matter where you take it from. Since you can't thief from me, you need to thief from everybody and make sure you get money out of that. You know what I mean? So, you do a violation and now you're going to face the consequence. We could have send mad one for your woman long time, you know. And all of them have fun with her, you know. We don't go to do so yet. So what you need to do is transfer the money right now. And not take too long because I don't have time to stay here, so. You know what I mean? You can do that, sir?
Yeah,
you can do that?
Yo, answer, man. Answer.
Go on. Yo, do it fast. How long that going to take? Yo.
1 hour.
Yeah, Modo. I'll go on the road now. If you chance you go through, I'll call you. You let him go.
Yeah, man.
I remember say, yo, you owe me. So, every quarter, you transfer tax to the account. No make come for you. Because if we are coming to the time I carry 200, we are come for you and your woman.
And time man, when the man a chat now, man. Boy, me case no man, what time?
Hello. Sorry. Good morning.
Good morning.
Can come in?
Of course.
Alright. So,
What?
let's get right down to it. Everything good? I have a little issue that I want you to help me out with.
What's your issue?
Me, I wonder if my brain a slip or something because I could have sure we have a conversation last night, right? Me and you talked on the phone last night, right?
What do you mean? I come over your house last night.
Okay, and that me there go get to know if say me sure me see you last night, but me can't remember how the night go. Me just wake up this morning and I say, but wait, how I go on? Me don't remember nothing. Okay, that the next thing now I get to, cause me could have swear say me see at the night there. But then that's it. Me can't remember anything what happened after.
You remember none of what going last night?
Shan, me I tell you say me wake up and me I say what I want go on.
You remember none of what going last night?
Nothing at all. So me I
What
want.
did I drink? Probably drink too much. Maybe that go on. You drink too much and you feel frost out.
Me didn't even remember drinking that much. So since I did it, remind me of what go on. What happened? Like did we get to the what happened?
Of course, you remember we did drink some liquor, me, you and Alton after your time up and we drink and we get down to business.
We get down to business and me don't remember what go on. So you mean to tell me say you want my man go on with things last night?
Me and you and your man go on with things.
But me don't remember going on with anything.
That's not my problem. So you don't remember going with nothing. If you can't manage a liquor, you have to tell me next time. Nobody knows you're so light.
If that's the case then. To backside. But me would even wake up and see him this morning. Where is he? Me not see him.
Me no know.
You don't know, so when
me
you
left it home and drop asleep in my bed last night and the security out the door. All him drop asleep too. So I don't know why I water what we not drink over there so or what. But everybody over there so knock out and asleep. Me just come on my yard and got my bed nice and peaceful.
But then I can't remember how we're going.
After one cup you probably get 2 frosts. But me and a friend, what you try to say? You drink more than 1 cup of liquor, you know, throughout the whole night, and more than 1 cup of drink, because when we did the day we eat night vibe, so we go on with the thing, you be like, pass the liquor, give me. And the whole night you did a drink, me did a drink, you did a drink, Alton did a drink, and a whole heap of things going in the night. You can tell me now, say, you can't remember. That's not my concern if you can't really remember exactly what you enjoy yourself.
No, Sean. See, the thing is, the first point is, me can't remember what go on. But then the second point, which is even the weirdest point is, me wake up and me not see Alton in the bed. Is a first that happen. Is a first me do the threesome, and is a first me I wake up and I see my man in the bed beside me. So, that looks strange to me.
Maybe you can deal with some business.
Alton normally attend to business, but he normally make me know what go on first. So
maybe you still do that sleep when you wake up. Man, wake up in a gear, go and go out. He gone. You call him?
Of course me call him phone. Of course me call him phone, but him not answer.
Give him some time, man. Maybe soon come around.
Me just confused at the fact that me invite you into my home for one night.
Look here. First of all, you do want some spice in your life. And that's what me come do. Me come give you some spice. So then, your man not being there in the morning, it's not my fault. He's not there here, so he's not in my home. So you say it's my fault, make all of this happen. After me just come spice up your relationship.
Me not say it's your fault, you know. But me can't remember what it is that happened.
Maybe I'm gonna deal with some business. You don't know. You try call him, you know what going. You try call him or anything to see where him there. If you can't find him, or you go and relax a little bit, the man soon contact you.
Alright. Enough for this. Me don't need argument, you know, because it get too drawn out and that's something I can deal with myself because I'm in a situation. So here I go on now. Me I go just left here so and me go check up on one next spot that I up on brother and see if me can get some information as to where him there. But in the meantime, just I go on easy.
Do that, man. Go and go check up on brother and see if it is that you find him up there.
Invite you back down to the hotel, but mama down there now.
Then you tell me say she not deal.
No, but you know, no. You know, so when you have somebody there, you and them just not have disagreement. She come back and I'm big, you know. Me have few things still up around. She go look for her mother, I send her back up. But she come
pop up on me. So I couldn't run out, you know what I mean? Hello.
Yes, I just came home from work and I'm just checking the account again and I'm seeing here where the money has been placed back.
How much money come back in the account?
I'm seeing here where they put back more in the account.
Yeah, man, the continue money type because I plenty more will come back.
Enough respect, you see it? So me call the door. Yeah man, just a bag of thing go on, so just stay tuned.
Go on man, have a thing man, guys. In the following week we have some different things more I deal with me, but when we reach the time, I bet you know what go on, you know?
Alright, but they're right there, so just give me a call.
General.
Yo, everything go through, you know. So what you do? Let him go make him go on our yard.
Yeah, no doing said speed because from now on I'm have to pay in dues, you know what I mean? So I'm let him go make him go on now, right now.
Alright, yeah man, me hear you done.
Bunny down till young. Yeah, me link now. You know I look. I know me up on the beach do what me have to do, you know what I mean? Bunny down. Stop next to yourself and come on man. Thing go alright, you know.
Say let him go, don't know lick him. I'm gonna give him one in our mid door, you know.
Boy, you're lucky, you know. You're lucky to that come true here, boy. Delete all about information them too, you know.
Wagwan, you not feel on yourself though.
Yeah, me, Robbie.
Everything up.
Yeah, so why load them?
Guess what I know? Whether you're here and I talk to boss, you know. So you know product them out, so no want some things I'm here and order some, you go and then come. But me just carry one phone up. So guess what? Hold this. Look if you can manage that and tell me.
Feel heavy.
What? Oh, you see it?
Concord. I say pretty.
You can manage that?
If we can manage it, I only hope we get it can hold the bullet.
Alright, that more here. Yes, so I'm not tired with you know, so bless up on yourself, fine. If I nothing, link me. Alright.
Yes, I mean, if you have beat bossy wife, you know.
Beef is boss. Beat, Timmy boss wife.
Yeah, you know I'm Peter I beating too.
Yo, my old, put on to a spine argument then. This boss.
Oh, yeah, go on. You know I'm Peter.
Don't this the boss.
You want peace then?
Yo, me not talking to you. You want to beat my boss wife.
A long time you have
Yeah, so I say going out, Chief.
Yeah man, today I only top set speed. So you know, back in a place now and we need some product. You see what I say? Because you know link already.
Yeah man, I know what thing going.
Yeah man, so before we go to jail, we do have an agreement. We know the time change, so maybe it up a little bit more in terms of pricing. But we're ready for whatever the case may be. So we want £40.
Yeah man.
Him worry over that stuff. He will give you the details them and everything, you know what I mean?
Alright, so one thing doing for us. So I'll do know your thing straight. I want to know how you pick up and drop off over in terms of cheddar.
What I say now, you see, it's a different time now. True, we're behind bars, people think say the money drop, the money don't drop. We have more money now. So at the same time as the drop off, I collect your money, no matter who, you get the money same time.
That's why I like the business with them.
You know what I mean? So work out the details with them and figure it out. I'm there with a little cat here going all the vibe. You know, so I'm there. A long time I'm not there, you know, so I have to enjoy myself. Is it?
I'm there with that. So talk to you soon,
talk to you, man.
Alright, cool.
How you dealing?
You know, the boss is still in the hospital right now, so you...
Fire crew. I forget. Knock.
Yo, boss is in this way, you know.
Empress,
Yeah, deal it.
what me gonna tell the boss lady say? You drive too fast. Cause I know me not even sure if me shoot one, you know.
Don't worry about that, man. Everything governed. Everything covered. Me have that covered long time.
So, you know, say, job done you now?
Me feel like them dead, you know, boss lady. Me feel like them dead, man.
But you say you feel like them dead? Are them dead? No, answer me. Me I tell you, you know.
Yo, the whole of them dead.
Oh.
Me now ask you.
Make
Them
sure.
dead.
Want to drop me on a baba, you know. Yeah.
Alright.
Me have something. Yo, you know, hear me a talk. Wait no, my youth. Yo, Empress, drop me on a baba. Me head at you now.
Yo, you see the B where you give me money for give? Stephanie. Yeah, man. You ain't get shot, you know. Boy, them drive by, brother. Busy boy, them.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
One to her.
You ain't get a shot in her foot.
And so far she there now?
She down in hospital.
Alright, so you will go on there now. Link up everybody.
Yeah, man. Me I go do that.
I chop shop.
Yeah, man.
Right now, me I left for the ends and come down right now. So link up right now.
Yeah, man. Right away.
I eat this, you know.
The man not answering phone. Yo, my youth. Me deal to your gate, you know. Come check me right now. Yeah. Alright.
Young boy, all right, bro. What going on?
What going on, Jenna? You good?
I'm there.
Bless up yourself.
What's that going on? I check every cent.
Check him, man.
For this.
Say you deal with me.
Business, you know, say business.
Alright, boss. Check it, man. Everything will be there.
Alright, look like everything there, so. Different the door.
Well, go on.
Me hear about that thing there with the fire.
Yeah. You hear about it too.
Everything alright, Rasta?
Yeah, man. Everything
legit.
legit.
I gonna have nothing to do with it.
No, sir. We clean over here, so. Now go to place.
So everything check out, so.
Alright, me
Yeah,
link,
man.
yeah?
Alright, cool.
Alright.
Yo, wake up, man.
Curious skin with tribal clips. Back Banjel. Don't play with it now. Money. Don't play with it now. Money. Let's get down to Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. All I wanna hear is about the cheddar. All I wanna hear is about the money to make my life better. talk, bullshit walk. Money talk, bullshit walk. We leave you someplace in the dark. We don't love to talk. The dog will bark. You come with this, don't come around here. We leave you there. Why you scared? I hope you're here. Always near. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now.
Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. From almost a tender age, I tell mommy I wanna be a businessman. I now will have a business plan. And if you mix with my dough, I tell you it will be damn. Somebody will be going down. I don't mess around with yours, so don't you mess around with mine. You got yours, do what you want with that. But if you might get a shot, and I don't care about the cops.
Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business.
It's a serious world. It's a serious world. And for you, I will send even a girl. Leave you somewhere dying. Somebody will be crying. I'm not lying. I'm on the crying. Money on my mind, so let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. I need my dough. I told you before. I need to make my life better. I need to see my cheddar. They locked me in bar for a long time,
Just because they didn't want to see me shine.
but now I'm back.
Oh, what's I say?
I promise to always love you with all my heart. I know it's not easy, but I'll try to understand you more. That's a start. I love your beautiful eyes that shines in the dark. I love your dark complexion that melts my heart. The way you walk and the way you talk, the way you maintain optimism and with enthusiasm you spark. I will always be there to dress your wounds while bandaging your scars. We will overcome each battle together forever, fighting life's heart-wrenching wars. They say you haven't found love until someone falls genuinely in love with you. But the love you have given to me is so pure and so true. I remember the days when I would treat you like a stranger, draining you of the love you truly deserve, loving someone else wholeheartedly while putting you on reserve. I remember painfully losing myself, but it's the reflection that made me realize that I'm stronger than every rejection. So today, I vow to commit myself to my other half. I can't wait to change the narrative. The places that I have cried, I will now laugh. For I finally found the person that deserves my heart. Enough of the love that is a sham. This is the new me, falling in love with myself before getting married and falling in love with a man. I am worth more than silver and gold, and so are you too, if you haven't been told. This is the best I have ever felt. The joy of falling over and over in love with myself. Hey y'all, welcome to Poems by Everly Graham. I want you guys to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and also to share my videos to your friends and your family.
Ready? Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. It's a joy, you know, for the young can talk. Yeah, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, you know. So, this is the next part, is a part 2 of Let's Get Down to Business. So as we go along, you know, some more part of come for it at speed. So, hope you guys enjoy this, you know what I mean. We are working on some new project. We have a dozen new characters, but as we go along, we introduce them, you know what I mean. So, we keep the fire blazing. And this is JAMMIWOOD City. And remember, we are go forward, you know what I mean. So, no negative vibes here. Love will come with, you know what I mean. And entertainment. So what we do in movie, and we keep it real, and no violence overall. We're not really say that for go on, but there's a lesson to be learned, and reality is reality. If it happen, we go show it like what happen, and then someone shall learn something from what, because there's always a lesson to be learned, you know what I mean, regardless of entertainment. Yeah, big up Damian, you know what I mean, from long time, you know what I mean, at all times, you know, the whole chopper and the whole thing go. Big up Tass and Franco, you know what I mean, big up Tina, big up a barrel arrived today, and we don't see no name how send it come, but it come and we get it now, so we're gonna make it some people who forget to get it, you know what I mean? So, enough respect, you know what I mean?
People out there want to send things,
Yeah,
they can send
yeah.
to you, man.
Yeah man, so find something send, and if we forget to, we just send it to people, you know what I mean? Because we're about helping and pushing forward, you know what I mean, Jamaica. Because Jamaica is necessary, you know what I mean, for Jamaica to get back to where it should have been, you know what I mean, where it was before I was born. So that's a long time still, you know what I mean. So burn it down, big up everybody out there who keep on watching the platform, and who love the movements, and who are subscribe and who are share. Big up all of the mothers them and them daughters that are watching. Big up my fans them with upon the live. I watch same way live and living colors, keeping yourself blessed, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? So big up 11-year-old youth from St. Elizabeth. I don't know any name your mother can't come here today, but I don't remember name. Yeah, so I don't remember any name though. So youth, you know yourself. You say watch everything out. So burn it down to the ground. Continue sharing and subscribe to speed. We try to teach a lesson. You know what I mean? I like to say a special big up to Jewels. You know what I mean? Big up yourself, mommy. And hope you're watching. Because she been doing a lot of stuff for us, like promotion and all these things. She go the extra mile. So I have to say special big up. You know what I mean? Keep it real. Burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean?